committee met and they perused all the details of the centers of the CCTV, and they found that sometime center-wise there is a different time was lost, and they should be compensated for the marks. And there was a Supreme Court judgment in 2018 in CLAT case कि if there is this type of grievance कि time loss होता है तो there is a formula, and on that basis compensation can be given. So the committee thought कि this is the way we can address the grievances. So during this grievances their marks have been increased, and due to that some students, the concerns which have come to the media is because of the certain candidates have got marks which are they have come in the topper. 6 candidates have come in the topper, 2 candidates have 718 and 719 marks. So that is how the issue came कि how candidate can get 718 and 719. So it is not because the number of questions +4 -1, but because of the scale formula the numbers can be 718 and 719 also. So we have analyzed all the things and transparently, and then declared the result. So this problem was happened out of 4,750 centers, it was limited to few 6 centers, and out of 24 lakhs it was only 1,600. So the integrity etc. of this exam throughout the country was not compromised. And one issue which was happened in Savai Madhavpur, that because of wrong Hindi English distribution, we took the action immediately, and because by that time at every center candidates were inside. So the question paper in social media was I think around 4:28, 4:29 p.m. after the start of 2 hours 28 minutes later. So we said that there is no paper leak, and we reconducted the exam at that center with a different question paper, and it went smoothly. And then there were allegations from some other centers that there is a possibility of paper leak. So we all again analyzed our system and denied that report through the press release on 6th of May. So the whole exam process has been very transparent, and the integrity of the exam was not compromised at all, and categorically stated in our press release. So we assure all the student community that the exam has been done with full integrity. So this is a brief of the things. Thank you.